Hello everyone, I am Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV, giving you a closer look at the soft luggage mount system for the Tusk Pannier Racks. Alright, so today we're giving you a closer look at the soft luggage mount system for the Tusk Pannier Racks. What these are designed to do is allow riders that have soft luggage to quickly and easily attach and detach their luggage from their pannier racks. There's a lot of riders out there that really like soft luggage, but something about pannier boxes that riders like is how quickly and easily you can take those and put them back on. So these are really just giving you the best of both worlds. Now these are designed to work with the pannier racks, but you can use them with other brands. I'll explain that here in just a moment. But the way these are constructed is they're CNC machined from aluminum, so very high quality, nice black powder coated finish, so they look good, they'll stay looking good for a long time. When you order these, they're gonna come in a set of 2. But one thing to note is that they will come disassembled. So each piece or each side is going to have your plate that's going to mount to your soft luggage. We'll show you that in just a moment. And then your mounting plate for your pannier rack. So you're actually going to put these together. It's just a few bolts, very simple to do, no drilling. You're just going to bolt them right together. But now let me show you what you're going to do. Now, as I mentioned earlier, these allow you to take your pannier, your soft luggage off very easily. And I'll give you an example. I can take this off with just a pull of a cord. It pops right off. So we look at the back of this bag. You're going to see your plate. Now the plate has multiple cutouts. That's to allow you to get your soft luggage mounted up to these. So they're going to work really with just about any soft luggage. That's why they have so many cutouts. So depending on the straps that you have on your bag, shouldn't have any issues there. And then you've got your mounting plate for the pannier rack. So you can see how everything bolts on, very simple. And then when you go to put these back on, just as easily as it was to take off. So all you're going to do is line it up, set it in, pull your cord, and it pops right on. So very simple. So if you're a rider that likes to take your luggage with you when you get off the bike, say it's a hotel or a campsite, this is going to be ideal. Now, as I mentioned earlier, if you do not have the Tusk Pannier Racks, you can still utilize these, but here's something you need to know. So the mount plate that goes on the Tusk Pannier Racks, this will be different if you have a different brand of racks. So you can still take your mount plate and mount it to the back of the plate for the soft luggage. Just know that the holes aren't going to line up, so it's probably going to require that you drill different holes to get your mount plate on here. But you could utilize it if you want to. The last thing I do want to show you is that you have these 2 extra holes here. So these are actually for the RotopaX mounting bracket. So if you want to actually run these, but you don't have the soft luggage attached, you could put the 1-gallon fuel pack on here from RotopaX. So just a lot of cool variation. Again, if you're looking for an easy way to mount your soft luggage, take it off the bike quickly and easily, awesome route to take. If you guys have any questions, leave your comments below and we'll get those answered for you. To pick yours up, you can click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Remember guys, orders over $75 ship free. Subscribe if you like this video and you want to see more like it. We've got a lot of great ones coming down the pipe. I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain. We'll see you on the trails.